Hello everyone and welcome back to the Coders Academy channel. I am Ashish and you're watching the third video in the Databricks playlist. So far in this series, we have looked at what is Databricks, what are its features, how to sign up and get started with the free version, and a walkthrough of the Databricks platform. In this video, we will be doing our first notebook in the Databricks platform. We will be writing a program for data visualization for sales data. In this, a snippet of the sales data will be used to do data visualization and deriving insights from that data. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So I created a new Databricks notebook from here. So new notebook. I've named it as sales data demo. Okay, and then I connect it to the server which is available in the community edition. So you can just click here and say serverless and it will get connected to the 2x small instance. Now what I have done here is I have just created a simple data visualization for sales. So here is our import statements. Pandas, matplotlib is for presentation of the visualization. NumPy and pandas, this is for data manipulation, and datetime is for date and time. It's self-evident. So what I have created is I have created 10 sample records on the sales data. So it has fields like date, product, sales amount, region, salesperson. So this is the date where the sale happened and it was for laptop. It was for 1200 rupees, North region, and Alice was responsible for that, right? Likewise, the other details are also captured. Then I'm just creating a new pandas data frame. So pandas dot data frame sales data. So we get a data frame from here, which we convert it into date time, okay, and then display that. So print sales data, will print that particular data frame, and then data set shape. We want to just print the shape of the data frame. Total sales will be the sum of all the sales amounts. So df sales amount. So df sales amount is the column name. Dot sum. This will give us the sum of all the sales that happened. So addition of all these numbers. Then we start with the visualization. So we plot the graph here. So this is the dimensions of the area where the plotting has to happen. Then we are going to first have a sales by product. It will be a bar chart. So group by product, sales amount, sum of that values, and sort the values in the descending order. So that is product sales. And then we have the bar, set title, X label, Y label, and the ticks at what distance it will be there. That is what we have mentioned here. Then we'll add the values for the bars. So bars are basically your sales value, right? So that's what it is, sales by product. So that's what we have mentioned it here. Then based on different regions, we'll plot a pie chart. So we have different regions. So the regions, if you look here, these are north, south, east, west. So that's what will be here it is, okay. So a region sales amount, what is the total sum, that is what it will remain by a different region. So this is like the group by clause in this SQL, and different colors for that, okay. Sales trend over time, this will be like a line chart. So group by date, and the period will be monthly, okay. So this is the date, so we are plotting it based on a monthly basis. Then sales by person, so this is a horizontal bar chart, similar to the bar chart that we saw earlier. It's just that instead of vertical, this is going to be horizontal, and this is B, and this will be based on the salesperson responsible for the respective sales. Then we'll add the values for the labels, adjust the layout to prevent an overlap, okay, and display the plot. Then print some of the insights, and then finally create a summary table. So let's try and run this. Okay. So here is the result we get. So first, if you look here, what is the print statement we gave? So here we said print, So we said print sample sales data, and then we give the df name. So sample sales data, and this was our data frame. So data frame contained all the values here. Then we printed the shape of the data, so 10 by 5, 10 rows and 1 2 3 4 5 columns. Now next was the total sales value. So addition of all these sales amount is what is given here as $3,335, and then total sales by product. So laptop sales was this much, monitor, headphones, keyboard and mouse. Then we set a pie chart by region. So here then we had done the addition of all these and then converted that into a percentage, and we had given different labels and colors for the wedges. Now monthly sales data, this was a line chart. So here you look at it, like every month there is a plotting of this based on the total sum of sale in that particular month. So 1200, the next month it was a little less than 400, then it jumped over 1200, and likewise the trend has been for the sales of the different laptop, monitor, etc. And the total sales by person, so looks like Alice made a sale of 2300, a little over 2300, followed by Charlie 395, Diana 370 and Bob 190. What are the insights? These are the important parts, right? So top selling product has been laptop, best performing region has been North, best performing region has been North, yes, and the top salesperson has been Alice, we saw that. Average sale amount has been $333, and the date range has been so and so period. And this is the summary of the information, right? So product and sales, number of sales, average sale and the region sold in. So hopefully this simple example will be easy enough for us to understand how to get started with Databricks notebook. In this example, I'll just quickly revise. We have seen a sales data demo where we created some sample data, sales data for sales amount, product, date, region and salesperson, and then we use pandas data frame to create a data frame, converted it into different date column types, then displaying of that data using matplotlib, and then finally we show that particular visualization, and at the end we have the insights. From the insights you can decipher like what was the top selling product, who was the top performing salesperson, which region we got maximum sales, and final summary. So that was your video for today. In this video we did our first notebook assignment using Databricks. In the next video we will see an assignment on magic commands in Databricks. If you have liked the videos that we have been making, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Do let me know in the comments what is the next video you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching.